So in this video we're just continuing to use the original coupling video that we used last time. We've just removed the end of the pipe. We've used that up there just for show, and we've just inserted an elbow instead. So we'll just continue to put the last cable tie on, and you can see that the 90mm to 115mm, and we'll just grab that out of the road, and then we'll grab our Ezy bend. So it's pre-cut, pre-formed, and that just goes on basically like a nappy. So nice and easy, nice and simple. Once again, it has tape already taped in the right locations. Probably get the tape. And that will be enough to hold it in place till we finish everything else off. And we just tuck them in. And once again, taped. And then once again, then once again, I'd suggest using 750mm cable ties for the 100mm gouge, and then obviously where the cable ties are. One around the middle. And that's the Ezy Wrap bend system. Done. Cut off the excess from the cable ties. And then as before, we just cut some tape. Just to clean the ends up. And that's the bend complete. Done.